Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Horilla. So in this video, let's see how we can export employee data in Horilla. So exporting is basically moving data from one system or database to another. That is, for instance, when upgrading to a new database system or merging with another organization, exporting data ensures that it can be transferred in a compatible format. That is, we can create backups of databases in the form of files. So these backups are crucial for data recovery if it is lost in some way. So let's see how we can perform that in Horilla. So this is the dashboard of Horilla. We can navigate to employee. Under employee, we have the employees, so we can go to employees. Here we will be able to view all the employees that are currently working in the organization. So to export the data, here under the actions, we have the export option. So we can click on export. So from the Excel columns here, we can select all the columns that we need in the file that we are exporting. So that is, we can select all the fields with which we want to export our data. That is, if we want to select all the columns, we can just click on this and everything will be every columns will be selected. Every fields will be selected over here. And then if you want to export only specific fields, we can select the specific field by clicking on the little checkbox over here. So we can give the badge ID, the first name, the last name, the email, the phone, and we can also give the department, the job position, the job role, and the shift, work type, and reporting manager. So let's export the data of employees with all these fields. Now from the employee, we can filter the employees that we are exporting. That is, if you want to export the employees within a specific country, we can give the country over here, and all the employees with that country will be exported. Similarly, we can select the gender also, and then we have the work info over here. So if we let's say we want to export the employees, all the employees in the sales department, so we can give this department over here as sales department, so that all the employees will be filtered in the sales department and will be exported. Similarly, we can also filter the employees by job position, the reporting manager, the shift, and work type. So let's export now. So here we can see the file that we have exported. So here we can see that the file has been the employees has been exported with all the fields that were given. That is the badge ID, the first name, the last name, and then we have the email, the phone, the department. And we can see that all the employees in the sales department has been exported since we have filtered the employees on the basis of department. So now let's go back. And here we can, if you want to export specific employees that we have selected, we can do it from the list view. So this is the card view. Now we can go to the list view over here. And from the list view, we'll be able to select the employees, specific employees that we need to export. So we can click over here. Let's say we want to export all these employees' data. So we can select those employees over here. And then under the actions, we can click on export. And also, we have the option to export the employees from here also. So let's click on export employees, and we can click on confirm to download the Excel file. And the Excel file will be downloaded. So here we can see all the employees that we have selected. So all the data has been exported. So this is how we export the employee data in Horilla. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.